Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving y'all a little peek into our homeschool day and giving you a glimpse of how my kiddos help me around the house. But first, if you're not my bestie over on Instagram, go ahead and give me a follow and shout out in my DMs. Alright, let's jump right in. But first, let's fix some coffee. So I like to start off our school day by setting everything out that the kids need. We do have bins that most of their daily stuff goes in, and they can pretty much grab and go, but me being the control freak that I am, I like to set everything out so that I can see exactly what needs to be done and know exactly where we are. So a lot of times I like to start off with a read aloud, so that way, we can kind of relax and get the mood set. And then I like to go into doing like an illustration of what we read, because I find that sometimes if I'm just like, oh, tell me about what you read, write a summary, the kids aren't as engaged. But if I'm like, okay, let's illustrate it, draw me a picture, and then give me 3 to 5 facts, like they're usually really excited about it. So in this instance, they asked if I would draw with them, and I did, and I must say I outdid myself. So, I'm tooting my own horn. Then the Y is changed to an I before adding the ES. Okay, so basically talking about something that is a lot of that thing. So that's why it switches from the ownership to a lot of, it's plural noun. So you would automatically put IES at the end. You're gonna look at the dice below. Can you guess the number on the dice without counting the dots? See how many dice you can guess without counting.
5, 2, 4, 3, 6.
Girl, high five. Okay, good. While the kids were working on their independent work, I decided to throw some bread mix in the bread maker. And I must say that this bread maker has been life-changing. 10 out of 10 recommend. If you don't have one, you should go get one. This was gifted to me by my mother-in-law, so I did not have to pay a dime for it. And I don't believe that she did either. I think it was also gifted to her. But I am so thankful for this because it is absolutely a game changer and absolutely lazy girl, busy girl, whatever, tired mom approved. So go and get you one. Also, if you have not made pizza bagels before, like, they're so much better than the little pizza bagels, like the ones you put in the oven or the microwave that we grew up with. These are onion. I think I did everything and then onion bagels. Listen, I know I always say it and you're probably tired of hearing me say it, but again, 10 out of 10 recommend that you make you and your children some pizza bagels because they're super easy. Most of the time I will make them in the air fryer, but I did not wash the air fryer pot. It was occupied by the previous night's dinner, so I just put it in the oven. I think I did it on 400 for like 10 minutes, and then I broiled it for like another 3, and it was perfect. And next up, a short but very, very, very sweet entertainment piece from none other than my kids.
Are you recording? This is how it goes. I am big, wet. No, it doesn't. I am big, the biggest wet Billy. I'm gonna go clearly. Clearly? Oh, I'm big, the biggest wet Billy. I'm gonna go clearly.
Okay, back to our regularly scheduled programming. I hope you guys enjoyed that little piece from my children. But now it is lunchtime and we are rounding the end of our school day. We usually school on average about 2 hours a day, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less. I know y'all liked my little robot skills. But we have reached the point where it is time to clean up. So the girls decided that they wanted to clean up the schoolroom. They were just excited to show you guys that they do help and they are good at what they do. And I can vouch for that. They are. So I ended up having them clean the schoolroom. And then they cleaned the kitchen for me. Look at my daughter doing her dance. She's the gymnast and the dancer, so she's always twirling. But yeah, so I had them clean the kitchen, and this is not their favorite thing. I don't think it's anybody in the house's favorite thing, but they are always willing to help. I might get a couple of huffs and puffs because they don't want to do it, but ultimately it gets done. And I would say that they do a pretty good job. They have definitely gotten better over time. But, you know, I think they understand now that, like, teamwork makes the dream work. So they definitely try to help me out as much as they can. And while they did the kitchen, I did help a little bit with certain things that they didn't know exactly, like, what to do with. But while they did the kitchen, I had some laundry to do. And, you know, laundry is my kryptonite. But I'm trying to get back in action and, like, keep up with it. And so my little helper, he's going to appear any moment now. There he is. He helped me fold the laundry as best as he knew how, and we were able to get it done in a timely manner. And here is the finished look of the kitchen after the girls got done. Yes, they did the rest of this all by themselves and they did such a great job. But we have come to the end of my video. I am so glad that you guys stopped by and spent the day with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Follow me on all of my other platforms. I am on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, and I have a Homeschool Moms group on Facebook. So I hope to see you guys there. If you need me, you know where to find me, right here at home. Bye.
Bye-bye.